the train horn. It's the Canadian National. No way! I can send this to YouTube right now. Look, it's a huge train. Okay, so we're currently stopped by a Canadian National train right now. This is so look at the heavy load. Looks so heavy. Whoever could take this train? That train is so long. That is a very long train, I say. They say your perspective and only true advice. My own self I'm going to the Children's Hospital of Michigan, and I'm currently being stopped by a Canadian National train. That sounds like a BNSF. Okay, this train is taking way too long. Yes, we currently are stopped by another train, which currently looks like another CNN National right now. We're currently stopped by also a truck. Man, this train has a very heavy load. It looks like the heavy goods train. They're taking goods. Now baby sister gets to watch the movie while the train is going by. This is a very long train. This video is going to be longer than I expected. So have you heard of the CNN National train? Subscribe. Holy shoot. That's a very big train. May I say, I'm going to call it the longest train in Michigan.
I think it is.
Yes, I think it is the longest train of all time. I hear its horn again. Man, has a very long train. Oh my god. The train is making us way too. Man, that CNN National is strong for a heavy goods train in Michigan. Yeah, that train is very, very, very strong. Maybe it might be the strongest train in Michigan. Oh my god, it's so long. Oh my.
Oh.
The train is done. Road.